Arias, and this is Ruben here. We're from Harmony Public Schools, and today we're going to be talking about Ruben's tube. Ruben's tube. First off, you're going to need to make sure that you have your cord connected to your propane tank, which we have here. Then you're going to be getting a tube. On it, you're going to need to make sure that one side is sealed off completely, so the gas won't escape. You're going to make sure you have little miniature holes distributed properly. From there, you're going to need a little stand. We highly recommend that, since it will be not touching the table. And then you need a sine wave generator, and we're gonna be using speakers to be able to manipulate the flames. So how to make this work? First off, you're gonna make sure that everything's placed how it is, and then you're gonna release the gas, which the gas is gonna come out of the two little tubes that we have here. Once that happens, you're gonna be turning it on with a burner or a lighter. Using the lighter, then the holes will be on fire and they will all be distributed correctly. But you can, with the sine wave generator, you can make them bigger or smaller depending on your convenience. From there, you're able to use the music to be able to manipulate it, make it go up and down. And now my partner will be explaining the science behind it.
So the Ruben tube works because the sound waves follow certain patterns. The propane is just coming in to this angle and they're all spread evenly. Now when the sound waves go in a certain pattern, they cause the propane to move according to those patterns. So in some areas, the sound waves are more clumped together, which makes the propane close together, and this causes the flames to be higher. While in some other areas, the sound waves aren't there as much, so that causes a less concentration of propane, which causes smaller heightened flames. So with that, you can use it to manipulate the sound waves. You can use sound waves to manipulate the flames in really cool patterns. Now my partner will explain our ELA component.
Our ELA component, we decided to be doing journals. We have done 10 weeks of these Ruben's tube, in which we explain our research and what we found out every single week about a Ruben's tube. Now my partner will explain about the SS connection.
For our social connection, what we did was we went into the history behind the Ruben's tube. We explained how it had a role in the past in various museums and other organizations, and how it helps us today. And that is all. Thank you.